Brethren, we know many of us are disappointed, and that is why Daddy has called for this emergency service in this election season. Without wasting our time, choir, give us some as we welcome our Daddy G of creativity. I love welcome. God bless my Daddy. You're welcome, sir. You're welcome, sir.
Nation bound in freedom, peace and
Brethren, listen to me. You are angry. I am hungry. I hear some people are planning to lure people to begin to sell their birthright for just 5,000 naira. But we say never. We will not continue to sweep the truth under the carpet or hide under the umbrella of lies. Sister Iyabo here, Brother Uma here. If you want to laugh here, no go dey be like Brother Ben wey don sell him birthright for 2 Congos of rice, recharge card and calendar. Remember, now you are more powerful than them. They can read the dates but not the vote. Your finger, your power, your vote, your power. Together. Yesterday, I went to Ikeja to do some research in a cyber cafe. I was on a PC, and after some minutes, I went to the toilet to pay the fee. I came out and I saw a drunkard holding a beer, and he said, "Sir, what is the way forward for Nigeria?" I said, "Do you know the only way forward if you really love Nigeria is to first of all change the next level before it is too late."
Gbagaun.
Talk to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, I'm gonna take it back. I'm gonna take it back. Can I preach? Yeah. Can I preach? Yeah.
Go and sit down.
Oh, mama, there is somebody watching me. Your name is Lauren. Lauren, you are disappointed by today's event, and you have said you are not doing anymore. But please, Lauren, even if you have to cross the oceans, or cross rivers, or climb mountains, or even if you have to go to the hill, Lauren, please vote.
This one is one of us.
Last week, I went to an amusement park in Ibadan, and suddenly, somebody say suddenly, I saw someone from afar off who looked like my chief usher, Brother Mark, a Bayelsa man, smoking and drinking. But Brother Mark told me he was traveling 4 weeks ago. Could this really be Brother Mark or the senior brother, Caleb? Then I was like, what is happening here? Then I called Pastor Promise, Pastor Propro. Is that no Brother Mark? He was like, "Daddy, it looked like his head."
Make use of your brain.
I'm like, no, this cannot be, because the last time I spoke to him, he told me he was in Berlin, Kebbi. Go over there and confirm for me.
what's the business?
Can I shock you? Can I shock you? He got there, looked at the man, and shouted, "Daddy, it is him." I ran over there, confronted Brother Mark. I said, "Brother Mark, so you have been in this city, but you refuse to come to church. What are you doing in this amusement park?" He said, "Daddy, calm down. What are you also doing here?" I was like, what do you mean? Do you mean a man of God cannot come here to chill? I came here to have fun, of course. Don't question me, Brother Mark. What are you doing here? And guess what?
Finish him.
And he said, "Daddy, I also came here just to play too." Oh, mama. I feel the spirit here, but I'll see you next Sunday.
I know, man.